Understanding the phrase, on in years, an English learning guide. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into the intriguing phrase, on in years. This expression is a gentle, somewhat poetic way of saying someone is getting older. Let's explore its usage and nuances to enhance your English understanding. The phrase, on in years, is used to describe someone who is advancing in age. It's a respectful and somewhat indirect way of saying that a person is no longer young. Unlike the straightforward, old, this phrase carries a sense of dignity and respect. Understanding a phrase often involves seeing it in context. Here, we'll look at some examples. My grandfather, now on in years, still enjoys gardening. The family dog, on in years, spent its days basking in the sun. Notice how the phrase softens the discussion of aging, focusing more on the passage of time than on age itself. There are several synonyms and variations for on in years, such as aged, more formal and less indirect. Elderly, a common term but can sound impersonal. Senior, often used in official contexts. Advanced in years, a variation that carries a similar respectful tone. It's important to note that discussing age can be sensitive. In many cultures, directly referring to someone's age is considered impolite. On in years is a way to navigate this delicately, showing respect for the individual's experience and wisdom. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase, on in years. Remember, it's a respectful, gentle way of discussing age, imbued with a sense of dignity. Keep exploring and embracing these nuances in English, and you'll find your language skills blossoming with time. Happy learning!